We are not in a boat. This is not a boat. That's a tidal wave. It's a Class 5 whitewater. It may look like we're in a boat, but it's a Burlow family house. Well, sure enough, we got two nor'easters. The first one on Sunday did not have that much wave. This one has too much wave. 10 to 15 foot waves breaking inside of Scituate Harbor. You can actually go surfing in the harbor with this first blizzard of 2014. A little too much action for this guy. We're getting 2 storms a week. The next storm is coming in on Sunday night and Monday, and that looks like an inside runner. Low pressure up the Connecticut River Valley. That means the temperature is going to go from 0 today all the way up to about 45 or 50 on Monday. A southerly swell is going to come in for Monday, so you can surf the leftovers on Saturday and Sunday, and then the southerly leftovers on Monday and Tuesday. The temperature is going to go from 45 above on Monday to back down to 0 by about Wednesday morning. This winter is relentless. It's a 2-a-week storm pattern for the foreseeable future. We'll see you at the shore.